guys, Mirabug, and tonight I'm going to be opening one fidget and a weird random thing. So, yeah. Before I get started, I need you to like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell. Do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did in that time, comment down below. Orbeez, because you'll know why. So, let's get on to the video. So, first we're going to be opening the weird thing I was talking about. This is the weird thing. It's literally body parts, but it's squishy, so, it's fidget. It's squishies, and this is probably going to pour me out, because it's literally body parts, and my sister would probably like this, because she's into science more than I am. But I got this for a video, and I'm probably not even going to use it. If I can even open this. Might need some scissors. And I broke it. Oh, no, I didn't break it. Okay, I thought I broke it. Paper. There's an eyeball, a nose, a hand, a foot. Don't know what that is, but it looks like a liver. There's a ear, and there's an eyeball. I don't know, for kids that are very little, for this video, just for this video, the kids that are very little, what's this? So money, Pina. I said money, because you will get scared. I mean, little tiny kids. Okay, I'm gonna go and run out and get some scissors real quick, so. Okay, so I got it open. Let me close the door away so I don't hear my dog. Okay. Okay, so, don't know what this is, but, oh, this is a tongue. It's a stretchy, squishy tongue. Sticky, very sticky tongue. And this is an eyeball, it's so squishy. Then I got a big nose. I got a big nose. Then a tongue and an eye. Then I got a foot and a hand. Foot and a hand. And then I got an ear. Okay, yeah, that's that. It's just very not cool. I don't like it. I don't know why my mom got that for me, because I don't even want to touch it. Okay, next thing is this. Ross. And we're going to open it. Orbeez stress balls are the best thing. Like, bro, I have a bruise on my hand and it hurts so bad. Bro, this is so cool. It's like rainbow and it has spiky thingies on it. Ooh, and it's warm. So I just leave it right here because my hand is, like, no, not my hand. My wrist is freezing right now. And my nose. My nose is freezing. Okay, look. Ear. I still have shoes on, but nose, tongue, and eyeball, and a hand, mini hand, miniature hand. And then this is like so good. And in the next video, I'm gonna get some more stuff, and I have some more stuff, but I didn't make it in this video because it's gonna be so long because I got so much stuff. So I'm gonna just break it up in half. So come back for part 2.